Ndewo na onye ọbụla. N'izu gara aga enyere m unu ihe omume unu ga-eme. N'izu gara aga pụtara na o nwere ihe m nyere unu ka unu mee ka unu lee maka na agara m njem ezipụ m ya bụ ihe sụsọ ofu onye sọsọ ofu onye sọsọ means one person sọsọ only one person which is Chinonso Chukwu. Chinonso bụ onye wepụtara ohere. Chinonso tried and put something together, though Chinonso did something simple. So Chinonso, I hope you understood my response, right? I told you to do something when it comes to either you did the plantain thing or you made something else like African food or rice. You can do fried rice, you can do jollof rice, you can do the same thing, the plantain. That was why I sent out that. You can do moi moi. I have other videos that my former students did. Ifeanyi is still a student, I think because of school, he has not been able to come to class. So Ifeanyi, once they did that one, that was 2 years ago. So I'm expecting every one of you to do something, but nobody did anything. But at least, Chinonso, you took a lead, you did something, I'm proud of you. But I still want you to watch that video again if you still want to do. Onye chọrọ ime plantain. Then watch that video, how he did it. Then do your own and send to us, but your narration. Ị ga na-ekwu ya n'Igbo, ihe niile ị na-ekwu ga-awụ n'Igbo. Okay? So, ihe niile ị na-ekwu ga-awụ na Igbo. Ọ gaghị awụ na Bekee. It won't be in English. So, I need you to redo your own, Chinonso. And then every one of you. So, achọrọ m ịma ihe mere n'ọtụtụ n'ime unu emeghị ya. Ka m bido na Ogechi kedu? Ogechi Nzoiwu.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma, ị pụtala taa?
Ee.
Onye gakwa ntị ka m agwa unu ọ bụrụ na ijike gị ejike gakwa jike maka na onye mkpọrọ aha chọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị mụ na unu ga-akpa nkata. Okay? Onye mkpọrọ aha achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Na Ogechi, gịnị mere na ilere ihe onyonyo m zitere ka ime?
Echezọrọ m. Ndo.
Ichezọrọ, nsogbu adịghị. So ileghị ya izu abụọ, Ogechi, izu abụọ. By the way, anọ m na steeti gị izu gara aga. Esi gị ka ị bịa hụ m. Because you didn't read my message. I told you guys that I was in Dallas because I had a Abdo conference, a week conference. Anọrọ m ofu izu na steeti Ogechi. Ogechi asịghị ka ya sitere m fufu ka m rie. Ọ sịghị ka ya sitere m ofe egusi. Ogechi refused to cook for me. So you didn't know I was in Texas?
No.
Oh my gosh. I was waiting to hear from her. Say, oh, Auntie, you are in my state. Okay, she didn't. How far is where you were? Are you in Houston or Dallas or Houston? How far is it from Dallas?
4 hours.
Okay, you didn't read the message. That's the thing. You didn't know I was there. So yeah, we had Association of Food and Drug Officials conference with FDS. So I was like almost a week 10. So I was there from Tuesday through Thursday.
Oh, wow. I read that, but I don't.
You read it and you didn't even care to say, hey, oh, wow. Okay. All right. So now, since it's in each other, ihe ị ga-eme awụ imesịa ị ga-aga lee onyonyo ahụ etu esi eghe une. Plantain une. Some people call it, ndị ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya unere. So kedu ihe ndị be unu na-akpọ ya Ogechi? Kedu ihe ndị be unu na-akpọ plantain?
I think echechem ka ndị be anyị na-akpọ plantain unere.
Ese gịnị ka ha na-akpọ ya une? Ọ
Un
bụrụ na ị maghị jụọ mama gị na papa gị jụọ ya sị ya kedu ihe ndị be anyị na-akpọ plantain, so but like my people will call it une is the central. Some people call it unere, but une, une. That's what the Central Igbo said, une. So le etu eshege une chara acha. Ripe plantain is called une chara acha. Something that is ripe, orange, ripe, anything that is ripe is when you want to say o chara acha, it is ripe. You say o chara acha. O chara acha. So find out what they call it. So you want to model and show us how to learn. If you don't know how to fry plantain, watch that video. I will be sending videos. I will make some videos. I will see some of the students in Atlanta because I would like to make that video with a student and then post it. I just don't want to be doing it myself, posting. I want it to be from the students and then leading. So I want you all to learn and then learn to, it will help you to speak. My job is to help you learn this language and learn to speak and not just learning, but you have no way of practicing it. So that was why I sent that video. So Gechi Mambo Huna ilere ya. Maka na izu a na-abịa na 4th of July. Anyị agaghị enwe class. So unu ga-eji ohere ahụ. Giri na ohere ahụ lee ya. Do it yourself. Use that opportunity. Ohere means opportunity. Since we are not going to have class because of 4th of July weekend, then you have 2 weeks to prepare your own. If you don't want to do the plantain thing, then any African food, any food you will cook from scratch. Even if it's doing macaroni and cheese, even if it's doing spaghetti, but you're going to be narrating it in Igbo. What I'm trying to get you all to do is to speak Igbo. It doesn't matter the food. Now, yeah, Chinoso, you tried, but what you did, you didn't cook. You prepared, Chinoso, you made, I think, peanut butter jelly bread, right? No, that's not cooking. I know, boys, that's the easy way. But if you watch that video, that's a boy. That is a boy there. That's your Onyekachi. Onyekachi is in this class too. He started with us 2 years ago. Onyekachi comes. Not Onyekachi, that's Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi is, yeah, he's doing a good job. So that was Ifeanyi's video. So it was a contest we did. And we're going to do contests by the end of the year. Okay? So everybody, it's about time we start learning to do that because we're going to do a contest. We do have prizes as well. Okay, so Ogechi, ị ga-eme ya. Kamajo, gịnị ka ị mere n'izu a, Ogechi?
Onye ọzọ biko.
Gịnị ka ị mere n'izu anụnwa?
Ejere m ọrụ.
Okay, because I try to get you to speak back. I want you to keep up with what you've been doing. You didn't do anything this week. You never bug me on when he's there. But I think your sister, I got on your sister though, and she's trying. She envied you. So Ogechi's sister, she was so impressed how it Ogechi say abambo. So she called and registered because she's jealous that Ogechi is not speaking and everybody in their family keep praising Ogechi. Now she registered, but she's not here. She has to start in the beginner class, but she's trying. So both of us were going back and she sent me something. I told her that she needs to say it in Igbo. She was like, oh my God, okay. But she tried, she did. So that's what I'm trying to do here, to push you all to do it. So Ogechi, make sure you use, I'm not talking to Ogechi alone. Every one of you, onyo wala game, onyo ya. If you don't want to do that plantain thing, but I want us to start with that plantain. If you don't have it, get plantain now, keep it, it will ripe within 4 or 5 days. And then even if it's not a ripe one, use that one. If you don't know how to do it, do that, okay? We need to start with frying plantain. Then after that, probably do moi, how to do black eyed beans to do it. Okay, so every one of you, what I want you to do after this class, send to the forum what you want to do. Send it. I want to see what everybody is going to do, the type of food they want to cook. In case if I don't want you to do that, then I will assign another thing or let you pick something else. So every one of you will send me what they would like to do. Even if you want to work with your mom to do it, or with your friend, or with sibling, or with your dad, anybody want to do, I want to know. But I want you to be the one narrating what you're doing. My goal is to see you saying it in Igbo. Okay? So, Ogechi ọwụrụ ya. So, o nwere ihe ị chọrọ ịgwa m, Ogechi? Nwere ihe ị nwere ikwu?
Mba.
Okay, so jisie ike mee ya, ị nụla? So, kedu ihe ị kwadoro ime n'izu anụnwa na-abịanụ?
Aga m eje ọrụ na
Ana m eje ka ọ bụ aga m?
aga m eje ọrụ.
Okay, ịlọtakwa n'ọrụ, kedu ihe ị kwadoro ime?
Aga m move. I'm going to move.
Aga m akwapụ. Aga m akwapụ. Ịkwapụ means like if landlord say, kwapụ n'ụlọ, or if I come Ogechi, kwapụrụ m n'ụlọ. Kwapụ means move out of my house.
Okay.
So ị na-akwapụ, o ngwanụ jisie ike, imesịa imenụ ka m mara, ị nụla? Imesịa ime ka m mara. When you're done, let me know. Yeah, imesịa mee ka m mara. Okay, and achọrọ m ka ị na-ezitere m okwu. I want to see you keep speaking, challenging yourself. Same song. So just communicate with me. Say it, every day, or even maybe 3 times a week. I want to see you, every one of you. And Chinenye Ejekam also tries to do that too. So I want to see you, challenging yourself, having communication with me. I know some of you don't have phone, but then use your parents' phone to communicate with me. Because I want to see that you're speaking it. Okay? All right, daalụ Ogechi. Onye ọ nọ ebe a? Kamsi ọ nọ ebe a? Kamsi ọ nọ ebe a?
Ana m ebe a.
Kamsi kadị? Kamsi Okoli ka ọ Kamsi Obi?
Ozugbo.
Kamsi ozugbo. The other Kamsi ọ nọ ebe a?
Mba.
Ọ nọghị ya? Oke, ahụghị ya. Maka o kwesịrị ịbịa. Ahụbeghị m ebe a. Okay. Kamsi ozugbo kedu?
Adị mma.
Okay. Well, I say when I call your name, I need to see your video. No excuse today. Kamsi, achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Okay, Kamsi adịghị okay. Okay. You're okay. You're looking good. Don't worry about that. Kedu ka ị mere tata? Kamsi, kedu ka ị mere tata? Kamsi, kedu?
Adị mma.
So you don't know that kedu and kedu ka ị mere is the same thing. They are the same thing. Yeah, kedu ka ị mere. Kedu is a short form of kedu ka ị mere. That's a short form of it. So whether I say kedu ka ị mere or kedu, they are the same. Okay. So ị mere ihe omume si unu mee?
Mba.
Gịnị mere? Gịnị mere, Kamsi? You need to talk to me. This is an interactive class. You need to talk to me. Gịnị mere n'ime gị ya? Mama gị ọ nọ n'ụlọ? Mama gị ọ nọ n'ụlọ tata? Gaa kpọrọ m mama gị. Sị ya na achọrọ m ikuru ya. Gawa, 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 gawa. Ịbịa gị mee ka m mara. Kpọta mama gị. Kpọta mama gị. Achọrọ m ka m kwuru mama gị. Gaa kpọọ ya. It means go call your mom to come. Auntie chọrọ ikwuru ya.
Mama m gara ọrụ.
Papa gị ọ nọ ya? Gaa kpọrọ m papa gị. Sị ya na onye nkụzi gị chọrọ ikwuru ya. Okay. Ịkpọta ya ime isi m na ọ bịala. Ị nụla? Okay, now Favor. Favor, achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Favor na ebe a. Okay, achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Favor ọ nọ ebe a? Favor anaghị m ahụ gị. Favor ị na-egbu m oge. Ị nọ ebe a?
Ebe a.
I need to see your video. Means onyonyo. You still blocked your video. It still has block. So remove the block on your video.
I didn't do that.
Yeah. See, click on something and then to unblock your video. I need to get to somebody else while you're getting ready. Kaima. Kaima innocent. Kaima kedu.
Ọ dị m mma, kedu ka ị mere?
Adị m mma, anaghị m ahụ onyonyo gị. Kaima, I need to see. You guys are wasting my time. Come on. I have a whole class to talk to today. Ị mara mma nwaanyị. Ị mara ezigbo mma. Ị dị mma. Ime gịnị wee mara mma Kaima?
That pretty?
Yeah. There you go. Ị pụtala tata. Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị si aga? Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị Kaima?
How was my day? My day just started.
No, go ahead. I need to see you try. Try to say something.
How do you say my day just started?
Ụbọchị m ebidola.
Ụbọchị m bido.
Ụbọchị m ka bidoro ebido. It means my day just started. Ụbọchị m ka bidoro ebido.
Bidoro bido.
Ụbọchị m ka bidoro ebido.
Ụbọchị m ka bidoro bido.
Ụbọchị m ka bidoro ebido. Ka. K as in king.
Oh, ka.
Yes, ụbọchị m ka bidoro ebido.
Bidoro bido.
Bidoro ebido.
Bidoro ebido.
Bidoro ebido.
Bidoro ebido.
Yeah, when I say Kaima bido, bido means start. When I say Uchenna bido, bido means to start. When I say my day just started, ụbọchị nka bidoro ebido, o bidoro ebido, it just started. O bidoro ebido, o is it, bidoro ebido. When I say ngwa Uchenna bido, Kaima bido, it means start. Yeah, when you hear somebody say bido, it means to start something. Ụbọchị nka bidoro ebido, my day just started. Okay, kedu ihe kwadoro ime n'ụbọchị tata? Kedu ihe kwadoro ime ka m si ịbịago? Ka m si ọ kpọtala papa ya? Okay, keep going, Kaima. Kaima, kedu ihe kwadoro ime n'ụbọchị tata? You see, it means that you are not practicing all the class notes. You don't even go over it. You don't even try to practice what we said there.
I so I'm going to do my sister's hair.
There you go. So you see, these are the things you would like to know to say, but you never care to send me message to ask all these things. To even in the class, everyone, you know what? Every one of you should be able to say, I want to learn how to say this. And there was a time I said, everybody type what you want to know. Send it. Then we can start conjugating it. But nobody does that. Now, this sentence now you want to know how to say. Why is it that you never ask a question about it? You never say, how do I say this? So what we're going to do when I finish asking you a question, everybody, I need you to start telling me what you know, what you would like to know how to say. The phrases, the sentences, you use it every day. We have to start somewhere because you need to know how to say all this. So, did you watch it?
I watched. Not yours, the other person's.
No, don't speak English to me. Ilere etu esi eghe une. Ilere
Mba.
onyonyo ahụ.
Mba.
See? So, everybody, I don't know what's going on, but if you guys are not serious, how do you guys think that that is making me feel? Kamsi ozigbo obiago. Kamsi. Kamsi ebiala.
Yeah.
I need to see onyonyo. Papa go n'ebe ahụ.
Papa m
Kamsi.
na-ehi ụra.
Okay. Can I see your video? I need to see onyonyo. Achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Why didn't you tell me before? Okay.
Well,
Now, tell your mom and dad I want them to call me.
Mhm.
Tell them you're not in trouble, but a little bit. Okay. But I want to talk to them. I want them to help you out. I want to see you making the effort, okay?
Okay.
Now, everybody, what we're going to do today, I need every one of you, stop hiding. I need you to tell me, today will be all you want to know how to say it. All the words that you speak in your house, you know, like everyday thing, phrases that you use, you don't know how to say it in Igbo. So we're going to start somewhere. All right? So when I call your name, you give me one, at least two. Every one of you, make sure you write it down. When I call your name, give me two that you want to know. I will start with Kaima. Kaima say, I'm going to braid my sister's hair. So when you're going to start with that one, and then one more from you, Kaima. So let's get a page here to do that. And everybody, since we don't have class coming this week due to 4th of July weekend, I want you to enjoy yourself. But hey, you need to make sure that you do your own video. Narration should be in Igbo, complete. I will just excuse if you add a few English, but no. If you can say everything in Igbo, great. Great. Probably, I'm not going to tell you if we're going to have prizes now, but let's see. But I'm going to select first, second, and third who did better, okay? So, and that video should come to me after 4th of July. And I need it, I will send you the due date, okay? Because if I say forever, everybody will sit on that. So this coming week, you are free. We have no class. Then coming the other week, I want all the videos in by Wednesday. But I will send the date because some of you will be confused now. Okay, so let me share a page. Let's go ahead and do something. And everything that we are going to do today, you must know how to say them fluently. So I'm going to share a page with you now. Come on. The page is not opening. I don't know why. All right. So Kaima said, I'm going to do my sister's hair. Kedu onye ga-agbalị ịgwa m etu a ga-esi ekwu ya? Kaima, ị maghị etu esi ekwu. Ogechi ngwa achọrọ nke ịgbalị ya. Gbalụte ka m lee ma ị ga-ekwute etu a ga-esi ekwu ya. Let me type here. I thought I'm sharing a page. Why is he not sharing?
We can see it.
You can see my page, right? Why am I not seeing myself? I don't know what's going on here. Let me see. Am I sharing two pages? I'm sharing one page, right? But something is failing. Okay. You all can see the page now. No, I don't think this is sharing. I think I'm sharing two pages. Okay, let me share it again. I don't know why it's not sharing, but let me try one more time. Oh boy, it's gone. Okay, so let me share. Let me know if you can see, because from my side, it shows that it's not even sharing, because I could not see myself. Wow, something is wrong. Why is it jumping like this? Okay, so share page. It's still not sharing from my side. I don't know what it is. You can see the page, right? Can you see the page I'm sharing now?
We can see it.
Okay, good. Ọ dị ka ọsọ Ogechi nọ ebe a. Okay, ka m kwụsị ịsụ bekee maka na onweghị onye na-aghọta bekee. Okay. One is I am going to do my sister's, or let's say I will do my sister's hair. Okay. Onwe chọrọ ịgbalị etu esi ekwu ya. Anybody want to try to surprise us?
Yeah, I'll try. Oh, you got it.
Kedu onye na-ekwunu?
Okay, aga m eme.
Kedu onye si na ya ga-ekwu ya? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha m bụ Chinonso.
Chinonso. Okay, ngwanụ. Ngwa Chinonso, kedu etu ị ga-esi ekwu ya?
Aga m eme ntutu nwanne
Aga m eme
nwanyị.
gịnị?
Aga m eme ntutu nwanne m nwanyị.
Good. Chinonso gbalịrị. The only thing Chinonso eme is not braiding hair. I will do my sister's hair, or I will braid it. So Chinonso said it exactly the way it is here. That's correct. But when I remove that, because when you say do, we don't know whether you're washing, whether you're braiding. So I am going to braid my sister's hair. So Chinonso gịnị ka ị ga-akpọ ya? Ịkpa isi. But Chinonso tried. Daalụ Chinonso. So it will be aga m akpa nwanne m nwanyị. You can say aga m akpa nwanne m nwanyị isi, or you can say aga m akpa isi nwanne m nwanyị. But let's just go one way now. Aga m akpa nwanne m nwanyị isi. Let's put today. Okay? Aga m akpa nwanne m nwanyị isi tata. So the reason I say Chinonso is right, because ntutu, braiding hair. Ntutu means hair. Okay? So Chinonso is also right. Aga m akpa ntutu nwanne m nwanyị taa. So you can also say that. All right. Kaima, one more. After Kaima, I need Ogechi to give me some 2 sentences. Everybody get ready for 2 sentences. But you're not going to limit yourself from knowing how to say only the ones you provided. Ị ga-amụta etu esi ekwu ihe niile anyị ga-eme tata. All of you should know how to say everything we are doing, whether it was the one you provided or not. So, Kaima, another one. If Kaima is not ready, another person, if you're ready, give me what you have. Any of you, if you're ready, let me know. Why others are still thinking.
I want to go.
Everybody in this class should give me at least 2 phrases.
I want to go and exercise.
I want to go and exercise. Is this one of the things you say every day to your parents, to your siblings, to your friends, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I want what you use every day in the house, that you want to know how to do it. Aga m aga igime ihe egwuregwu. That's it. So, do you use this every day? I need something that you say every time in the house, or your parents say to you, your siblings say to you. So I need that communication, at least to be able to communicate. So Chinonso, do you want to change it?
Mba.
Okay, so you always say this to your parents, right?
You don't believe me?
No, I want to make sure that's what you say all the time, right?
Huh?
Okay. Okay. Let me see. So, Chinonso, exercise again. Chinonso, kedu ihe ị chere na exercise ewu?
Mega.
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 Mega is part of it.
Hmm.
Kedu
Amaghị m.
onye ga-agwa anyị ihe ị chere na ọ wụ? Kedu onye ma ya? Okay, Chinonso, I want you to start the sentence. I want to go. Can you say that?
Achọrọ m aga.
Achọrọ m
Achọrọ
ọwụ
m
aga.
ga.
You're missing something.
Achọrọ m aga.
Achọrọ m ịga. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Achọrọ m. Go ahead again.
Achọrọ m ịga.
Uh-huh. Achọrọ m ịga gịnị?
Emega.
Achọrọ m ịga
Achọrọ
mee
m
ihe
ịga.
egwuregwu. Achọrọ m ịga. I want to go. Achọrọ m ịga. Mee ihe egwuregwu. Egwu. Come on. I don't know why it's jumping. Egwu. Some people will say, achọrọ m ịga mee ihe mgbatị ahụ. Mgbatị ahụ, right? Mgbatị ahụ, when you say egwuregwu, sometimes it could be anything. Either you're running around or you're playing ball or anything, it's exercise. Whether you just go to have fun, dance around, or it's called egwuregwu. Whether you're just doing hide and seek, it's called egwuregwu. So that's the general term. But if you want to be specific, you want to stretch your arms to say, achọrọ m ịga mgbatị ahụ. But in this case, egwuregwu covers everything. Your exercise could be probably you're going to play basketball, you're going to the gym, you're going to sing, you're going to dance. So that's the general term. I need you all to know that. If you're going to do basketball, achọrọ m ịga agba basketball, but you're going to spell it in Igbo. I need you all to know that, okay? Now, kedu onye ọzọ nwere ihe ọ ga-ekwu? I need people to come up with words. What are we waiting for? You don't even need to raise your hand. Just tell me what you want to say. If you know it in Igbo, you tell us in Igbo. If not, we do it together.
I want to learn how to say I want to drive.
I want to drive. I want to drive what? I want to drive a cow. I want to drive what? Bicycle. Is it a car?
I want to drive the car.
I want to drive my car. I want to drive a car. Which one?
My car.
I want to drive my car. Okay. Okay. Kedu onye ga-agbalị? Okay, nobody's talking. Achọrọ m ịgba. Some people say ịgba maọbụ ịnya. You can say ịgba maọbụ ịnya. Achọrọ m ịnya. Ụgbọ ala means a car. Ụgbọ ala is a car. Ụgbọ ala m. That is possessive because she said my car. But if it's I want to drive a car, what would you say? Who will tell me what to say there? Achọrọ m ịnya ụgbọala. It won't be ụgbọala m. Achọrọ m ịnya ụgbọala. Want to drive a car. Okay, somebody, number 4. Nke anọ. Kedu onye nwere ihe ọ ga-ekwu? I need you to come up with everyday thing you say to your siblings, your parents say to you, you say to them every day that you don't know how to say in Igbo. Why is it so hard for you to come up with that?
I'm running late, or I'm going to be late.
Okay. I am running late. Or I am going to be late. Okay, I'm running late. Agaghị m abịa ọsịsọ. Agaghị m abịa n'oge maọbụ agaghị m abịa ọsịsọ. Agaghị m abịa n'oge. Okay, so agaghị m abịa n'oge. You can say, oh, o nwere ihe jidere m n'ụzọ. Something is holding me. Something is holding me. Agaghị m o nwere ihe jidere m, agaghị m abịa n'oge. Agaghị m abịa n'oge. Okay. Then kedu ihe ọzọ? Kedu onye ọzọ nwere? So what are the things that your parents say to you in the house? For some of you that are still living with your parents, that you want to respond back, even if you're not living with them, when you call them on the phone, what are the interactions that you have with them? So you don't want to know how to say it. Or the interactions you have with your siblings. Huh?
I want to follow you to the store.
I want to follow you to the store. Okay, now the store, when you say store, it means probably you're going for grocery, right?
Yes.
Who said this? Chukwude, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when you say store, sometimes you need to be specific. But I assume here that you want to go to the store to buy something, which is grocery or which is market. Okay? Store is all out here. Now, actually, we have a lot of I want here now. At least you know how to say I want now. Achọrọ m iso gị. Achọrọ m iso gị gaa na ụlọ ahịa. Achọrọ m iso gị gaa n'ụlọ ahịa. If you're going to say, I want to follow you to the market, I want to follow you to the store, because this is where you're going to buy something. So it's called ụlọ ahịa, where they sell something. Okay, it's a facility where they sell something. Another one.
Dalu.
You people are not funny.
You people are not funny. Okay. Okay. Unu bụ ndị mmadụ. Now, you people are ndị mmadụ. Okay. Those people, ndị ahụ. Ndị mmadụ ahụ. Okay. Unu bụ ndị mmadụ. Anaghị eme ihe ọchị, ihe amụ. Like, like a comedian. Comedian is onye na-akpa ihe ọchị. Like now, if you're funny, Ogechi said, if I want to say you're very funny, I say, ị na-akpa ọchị, ị na-akpa ihe amụ, ị na-akpa ihe ọchị. So it's somebody who is very funny. Ọ na-akpa ọchị. When I say ị na-ata ọchị, you are very funny. Okay? Unu ndị mmadụ. Unu bụ ndị mmadụ. Ndị mmadụ are people. Ndị mmadụ. People. Okay? Unu bụ ndị mmadụ. Or if you want to say it like, okay, if you are looking at them and dear, you people are not funny. You all, it's what it is. You all are not funny. So that's because if it's not direct, if you want to say those people are not funny, ndị mmadụ anaghị akpa ọchị. Okay? Unu niile, let's say it's in the direct way. Unu niile anaghị akpa ọchị. Akpa ọchị. You can say ọchị or amụ. Ịkpa amụ, ịkpa ọchị. Okay? Unu niile anaghị. Ịkpa amụ is a verb. Ịkpa ọchị is a verb. Anaghị akpa, when you conjugate it, akpa ọchị. Okay? Unu niile anaghị akpa ọchị. You can say akpa amụ too. It is the sentence. Amụ, ọchị, that means make something funny. Akpa ọchị, akpa amụ. Okay. So this is all everybody wants to know today. Some
I
people
have
are
one.
not talking. Huh?
I have one.
Go ahead and say it.
Can you make me breakfast?
Can you make me breakfast? Okay. Ị nwere ike isiri m nri ụtụtụ? Ị nwere, can you ike isiri m me, right? Isiri m nri ụtụtụ. Nri ụtụtụ. You can hyphenate it, you can just leave it. You don't have to. Nri ụtụtụ. Okay. Ị nwere ike isiri m nri ụtụtụ? Now, how do you say, no, I cannot do it, or no, I won't be able to? No, I won't be able to cook breakfast. Who can tell me how to say that? No, I won't be able to. No, I won't be able to.
Mba, enweghị m ike. Mba, enweghị m ike.
It will be, agaghị m enwe ike. Go ahead, Chinonso. Mba, agaghị m enwe ike. That's how you're supposed to say it. But you try. Mba, agaghị m enwe ike. So this is a short form. If you like, once you say this, the person should be able to know. But if you want to complete it, agaghị m enwe ike isiri gị nri ụtụtụ. But it's okay. It's a complete sentence like this. O nwere onye ọzọ nwere ihe ọ chọrọ ịma. So does that mean I'm not hearing a lot of things? It looks like people, let me say this. It looks like you don't even want to learn, because you don't tell me that you don't have communication in the house with your parents, with your siblings. We say thousands of things in the house, but none of you are forthcoming. It doesn't make sense at all. It looks like you don't want to learn how to say it. You just keep coming to class, but you don't want to speak it. It doesn't make sense. So do we still have more phrases?
Oh, go ahead.
Can you take me to my friend's house?
Can you take me to my friend's house? Is it plural? Do you mean friends, plural or singular?
Singular.
Okay. Can you take me to my friend's house? Okay. I nwere ike, now you see how to say can. I nwere ike ịkwaga, because take you it has to do with driving you, right? I nwere ike ịkwaga m. I nwere ike ịkwaga m na ụlọ enyi m. That's how you say it. I nwere ike ịkwaga m na ụlọ enyi m. Okay. So, favor. If the person said, okay, I can. How do you think the person would say it? Okay, I can. How will you say it? It will be oh no. O is not a. It will be O. So you can say O. Say that. O. Enwere m ike.
Enwere ike.
Yeah, enwere m ike. Okay, enwere onye ọzọ nwere ihe ọzọ chọrọ ikwu?
Yeah.
If you have something, let me know.
Like you know what to learn.
Okay. I want to buy something.
I want all this. I want. Okay, can you say I will, okay. But you know how to say I want, right? Because we have a lot of I want here.
Okay,
I
so
want
I
to buy
should change it.
something. It's okay. Want to buy something. Picture. Let's say they want to buy something, at least you know what to. They want to buy something. Ha, choro. So have a lot of I want to hear. Ha, choro. Ha, choro. Ezo, ihe. Ihe means something. Ha, choro. Ezo. Ezo is to buy. Ha, choro. Ezo, ihe. All right? Onwere onye ọzọ.
How'd you say I was praying? Or I prayed. Prayed in past tense.
I was praying, okay? I was praying. We're gonna say I was praying. I will say they prayed. She will pray. So we know how to say all of them. Oh, okay. I was praying, they prayed, okay. I was praying. Ana m ekpe ekpere, okay. I am praying is different from. Now, when you say I am praying, let's put that one here too. I am praying. Okay. I was praying. Anom na ekpe ekpere. Anom na ekpe. Ekpe. Ekpere. Why am I doing this? Ekpere. Anom na ekpe ekpere. I was praying. Now see how you're going to say I am praying. Because I was praying, you were doing something. Anom na ekpe ekpere. For example, I was eating. Anom na eri nri. Okay. Who will tell me I am praying? Okay, how will you say I am praying? Okay, how will you say I am praying?
Anam ne ekpe.
Anam ekpe ekpere. Ikpe ekpere is a verb. Ikpe ekpere is to pray. Now, anam ekpe ekpere means I am praying. Now, they prayed. Will you want to try? Somebody want to try? They prayed. Ha bere ekpere. Ha bere ekpere. See how to put it in past tense. Ha bere ekpere. Bere ekpere. Now she will pray. Who will try that one? Go ahead, Emeka.
Olga epere.
Oga ekpere daalụ. Ekpere. All right. O nwere onye ọzọ nwere ihe ọzọ chọrọ ikwu?
How do you say, can you buy me food when you're coming back?
Can you buy me food when you're coming back? Okay. How about we say, please buy me food because you know how to say can. You know, at least you know in Werike. So the goal here is to get you to know how to say things in a different ways, okay? Please. Okay, you can say, can you? Okay. Please, can you buy me food when you're coming back? Biko, ị nwere ike ịzụtara m nri. You can say nri osikapa like rice. Ị nwere ike ịzụtara m nri ma ịlọtawa. Ma ịlọta is somebody coming back because when you say coming back, that person is coming home. Remember when we did something, I say Aga m alọta ụlọ echi. I will come home. It's not the same thing as somebody visiting. When you say coming home, we assume that this is your home where you live. You're coming home. So, ị nwere ike ịzụtara m nri? Ị nwere ike ịzụtara m nri ma ịlọtaba ụlọ? Ma ịlọtaba. Ma ịlọtaba. That's what it is when you're coming back. Ma ịlọtaba. Okay? If it's somebody coming to your house, let's say, for example, your friend is visiting, guess. You tell your friend, can you buy me food when you're coming? Ị nwere ike ịzụtara m nri ma ị bịaba? That is not her home. She's coming to see you. Ma ị bịaba? So let's do that one. When you say, please buy me food when you're coming, okay? Please buy me food when you are coming. It's not the same thing. When you're coming back, somebody coming back, that's where that person lives. I want you to know the difference. Or when you're coming or when you're visiting, okay? It means biko, zotaram nri, zotaram nri, zotaram nri, ma ebiaba, ma ebiaba, ma ebiaba. That's what it is. Ma ebiaba. Your friend is coming and you say, but if your siblings is visiting, okay, coming home, okay, where you all live, but then if you live probably in the dorm and then your sibling is visiting, it will be when you're coming. It won't be when you're coming home or when you're coming back, because probably she's coming from or he's coming from home to your dorm. That's what it is. All right, one more, and then we stop here because I have to get ready for next class.
Okay. How do you say give me my charger right now?
Give me my charger right now. Now, ihe eji agbanwe, ihe eji emekwe. Now, when you're charging battery, is you're making the thing to be alive. Ihe eji akpọlite igwe okwu. Your charger is something that charges your phone to be alive again. So ihe eji akpọlite, when you say akpọlite, you want the person to wake you up. That's the way. Ị nwere ike inyem mkpọlite igwe okwu m. Mkpọlite means your charger. Mkpọlite igwe okwu. Mkpọlite igwe. If it's your computer, it will be onyonyo, okay? But this your charger, we assume is your phone, okay? Now,
Okay.
give me my phone charger. Let's put phone there so that you know that igwe okwu is phone. Ị nwere ike inye m mkpọlite igwe okwu m ugbu a. Ụfọdụ ga-asị kịta, okay? Igwe okwu m. Okay? That's your phone charger.
Thank you.
So, okay, ugbu a. You can say ugbu a. Some people will say kita. Nyamiya kita. Kita. Kita is more of like Anambra. Ugbu a is Central Igbo. Kita. So it means now. All right? That's what it is. Okay, so onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Onwere nwere ajụjụ maka ndị beginner abatawago. So if there are other things you want to learn how to say it, you need to put it together. Send it to the forum. Everybody compile it. Because if you don't know how to respond to your parents, you don't understand or know how to say it when they speak to you, then you are not doing right. So I will post this thing and I challenge every one of you to know how to say this fluently next week, because next 2 weeks, before we start, I'm going to ask each of you. I'm going to have conversation with you. So you need to know that. Don't limit yourself. Okay. And everybody, I will send out when your onyonyo cooking thing is due in 2 weeks. Onye nwere ajụjụ? Onweghi. Ngwa, aga m ahụ unu n'izu ọzọ. Izu abụọ na-abịanụ. Have a wonderful nweenụ aṅụrị 4th of July. Okay? When aṅụrị 4th of July. So I see you after. Aga m ahụzi unu ma emesịa 4th of July. So onye ọbụla ma onyonyo ya, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ime etu esi eme eghe une chara acha, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ime etu esi eme etu esi ofe egusi, mana onye ọbụla ga-ezitere m etu ihe unu chọrọ isi, zite ya na onyonyo anyị nwa ka m ahụ ihe ị chọrọ ime. Ngwa ka emesịa na aga m ahụ unu n'izu abụọ na-abịa. Ndewo. The beginner class nọ here. I'm going to cut off. Please call in again, okay?